Hello children, good morning. Now today I will tell you conversion. Here I will explain how to convert one number system to another. Okay, so now in whole chapter we will discuss about this one. So you can see here it means to convert one number system to another number system. So means what? For example, you can understand here decimal to binary, binary to decimal, octal to decimal, decimal to octal, octal to hexadecimal. This type of conversion we will discuss here. So now first one I have taken here the conversion of decimal number system into binary number. Means what? Here I will tell you how will you convert decimal to binary. Clear? So now, so take the first example here. 25 I have taken here. Why it is our decimal? Because 10 base is given here. So now here what is, now your question will come in this format. It will be in this form. This is a decimal, and here you will convert this decimal number in binary or right here. So this is the format of the question. Okay. So now question is that how will you solve? So now you write here to take this number here. Take the number means what, this what number is given here. Okay, and divide by 2. Why I am dividing by 2? Because base of the binary is what? 2. In which number you want to convert, that by that number you will divide the decimal number. So now you want to convert in binary, so that's why you will divide this decimal number by 2. Clear? So now you divide it here. So 2 12 are 24. What is the remainder? You write here. Clear? So now again you divide this 12 by 2. 2 6 are 12. Remainder is what? 0. Now 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 1. 2 zeros are 0. Remainder 1. You know this one. When you will divide 1 by 2, 2 zeros are 0. What is the remainder? This one you will write here, and this one is here. So this one you will do. So now, so you can see the answer. How will you write the answer? You will write from bottom. Okay, so 1, then this 1, then this 0, then this 0, then 1. Okay, this is your binary number. Same. Now you take the another example. So now here is a 275. How will you convert it? You will divide by 2. Okay, you can see here. Remainders you write here, this side, this side, this side, and finally you will write from bottom. This one you will write, this one you will write first. Okay, this one you will write first, this one, then this 0, then this 0, then this 0. So you see here 1 0 0 0 1 0. Be careful with this one. From bottom to top you will write. Okay, so now this question you solve. It's given here. These questions you solve. All these three you solve. Clear? Next one is a conversion of fraction decimal to binary. Fraction decimal. Fraction decimal means what? Not 10.25. This type of questions given there. Then how will you solve it here? Okay. So now you see here. If 85.27 is given, so how will you convert? So look here. First part, before the point, you will do same like previous one. Look here, 85 you will divide by 2, and this answer you will write from bottom to top. Okay, you will write here. But one now question is how will you solve this? The second part you take here, 0.27. So now this 0.27 you will divide by 2. Before one multiply by 2. Before one divide, and this one you will multiply by 2. So now what is the answer? 0.27 multiplied with 2, 0.54. Clear? Now again this one, after the point what value is given, that one you will divide again by 2. So now what is given here, you can see 0.54, this one I have not taken, only after the point I have taken. So 0 अपने मन से लिख दिया, 0.54 into 2, so you can see the answer 1.08. okay, so now 1.08, again you will take after the point. What is after the point given here? 0.8. so now 0.8 multiply with 2, now 1.16. okay, so now next one, once again, now again take the 0.16 multiply with 2, 0.32, again take 0.32 multiply with 2, so 0.64. so now you can go up to 5 or 6 or 7, yeah, 3 is okay, 3 times you can multiply, okay, 3 times is a compulsory, 4, 5 you can go, no problem. But how will you write this one? So now you can see here this one, this part you will write from top to bottom, here bottom to top, here you will write top to bottom. So you can see here 0, this 0 here, this one here, this 0 here, this here, here. So now this is the binary form of fraction part, this is the binary form of fraction part. This is a binary number of fraction part, this one. So now you write together this one, point, this one. So this is a fraction one. So take the another example, 25 we will do same, again after the point value multiply with 2, clear, multiply with 2. So you can see here, first 34 multiply with 2, 68, then 68 with 2, 68 means what, this part. So you can see here 1.36, now you will take 0.36, okay. So same thing you will do. So this one and this one you will write together, this one, the answer is this. So now you solve these two questions, this one and this one, and send to me for correction, clear. So God bless you, best of luck, do this question.